Liverpool is a city and metropolitan area in the northwest of England, situated on the east bank of the River Mersey and overlooking the Irish Sea. Liverpool is the third largest city in England after London and Birmingham, with a population of approximately 500,000. One of the most important cities in the history of England, Liverpool is known for its rich maritime history and its role in world trade during the 19th century. At this time, Liverpool was a major port for trading cotton and other commodities with the USA, Canada and the British Empire. Liverpool was also an important port of immigration to North America, with many immigrants passing through the city on their way to the United States and Canada. It can be said that Liverpool is a city with a rich and varied history. The history of the city dates back to the Middle Ages, and in the 19th century it transformed into one of the most important industrial cities in the United Kingdom and one of the largest ports in the world. In recent decades, Liverpool has turned into one of the most famous cultural and historical cities in the United Kingdom, where many famous museums, art galleries, theaters, pubs and restaurants can be found. The city also has a variety of important tourist attractions such as the Museum of Marine Life, the Museum of Liverpool and the famous Anfield Football Stadium. In addition, Liverpool was a center for the maritime industry and marine engineering, as many famous ships were built in the city, including the legendary ship RMS Titanic. Liverpool includes many famous tourists at Birmingham, such as the Beatles Museum, Museum of Science and Technology, Liverpool Catholic Church, Liverpool Castle and many beautiful parks and gardens. The city also contains many restaurants, cafes, shops, and various cultural, artistic and entertainment events that make it a popular tourist destination in the United Kingdom. Liverpool also played a vital role in the development of British popular music, especially in the 60s of the last century, when many famous bands such as the Beatles, Jerry and the Pacemakers and the Searchers originated, which contributed to the city's fame in the world. In general, it can be said that Liverpool is a city with a rich and varied history, and is considered one of the most important cultural, economic and historical cities in the United Kingdom.